Installing your Platinum or Millenia with ISOFIX, forward-facing. This car seat is suitable from birth to approximately 4 years. The following video demonstrates forward-facing use. Once your child's shoulders have reached the lower or middle shoulder height marker, convert your seat to forward-facing. Once your child has reached the upper height marker, they have outgrown this seat and can graduate to the next form of restraint. Your restraint is equipped with ISOFIX but can be equally installed using a vehicle seat belt. Before installing with ISOFIX, check your vehicle for ISOFIX anchorage points. If you have used rear-facing, store the stabilizing bar by pressing the button found on the lower left side of the seat. Gently push the bar backwards and then down into the storage area. Reattach the cover. Convert the seat to forward-facing by holding the base and lifting the top of the seat. There are 4 recline positions, including upright. Lift the recline latch found at the front of the seat and push back or forward. Remove the ISOFIX straps from the storage compartments at the back of the seat if stored. Press and hold the ISOFIX adjuster release button and pull the connector strap to lengthen. Repeat on the other side. Locate the ISOFIX anchorages on your vehicle seat. Place your seat between the locations. Engage the connector with the ISOFIX anchorage. You will feel a click and the indicator will display green when engaged. Remove the slack and repeat on the other side. Push down on the side of the seat and pull the connector strap to tighten. The tension indicators will show green when adequately tightened. Repeat on the other side. If required, extend your top tether strap by pushing on the adjuster button and pull the strap to lengthen. Connect your tether strap, ensuring twists are removed, to the vehicle anchor point. Tighten the adjustable strap. It is important not to over-tighten or the base will lift off the vehicle seat. Store the excess strap in the pocket. To make the seat ready for your child, remove the infant safety cushion if still in use. Prepare the harness for your child. Grasp both shoulder straps and push the harness adjuster button. Fully extend the harness straps. The shoulder straps of your seat must be in a position nearest to your child's shoulders, but not more than 25 mm below your child's shoulders. To adjust the headrest, pull the Easy Adjust lever and raise the headrest to a height that will be above your child's shoulder. Open the harness and place your child into the seat. Adjust the shoulder straps to a position nearest your child's shoulders, but not more than 25 mm below their shoulders. Place each arm through the shoulder strap of the harness. Pull the crotch strap and buckle up between the legs of your child. Fit either of the harness buckle tongues. You will hear a click when both tongues are fully engaged. Remove slack in the lap straps by pulling up on the shoulder straps. Finally, pull the adjustment strap for a tight fitment. Now you are ready to travel safely.